Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is trigonometric equations. Now here first question. The sum of the all solutions of the equations 8 cos x into cos pi by 6 plus x into cos pi by 6 minus x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 in interval 0 to pi are given is k pi. Now then k is equal to, now we are given equation 8 cos x into cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b. Now cos square pi by 6 minus sin square x. Now minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now 8 cos x into, now cos square pi by 6, cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4 minus, now sin square x in terms of cos square x 1 minus cos square x, now minus 1 plus cos square x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now 8 cos x into, now your LCM is 4, now 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square x minus 2 is equal to 1. Now here 4 1s 4 2s, now 2 cos x into, now 2 cos x into, now 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4. Now 1 minus 3 plus 4 cos square x is equal to 1. Now multiply with cos square x. Now minus 3 cos x plus 4 cos cube x. Now 2 into, now 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is equal to 1. Now 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, cos 3x, 2 into cos 3x is equal to 1. Now cos 3x is equal to 1 by 2. Now in terms of cos 1 by 2 value, cos 60, cos pi by 3. Now cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Now general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Now here 3x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha means pi by 3. Now here 3x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3 or 3x is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3. Now here x is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. Or here x is equal to 2n pi by 3 minus pi by 9. Now here for all n belongs to z, for n is equal to 0 means now x value is pi by 9. X value is pi by 9. Now n is equal to 1. Now n is equal to 1 means now here 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 9. 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 9. Now LCM is 9. Now here 5 pi 7 pi by 9. 7 pi by 9. Okay, now here pi by 9 and 7 pi by 9 belongs to this interval 0 and pi. And also another equation 2n pi by 3 minus pi by 9. For n equal to 0 means minus pi by 9. Minus pi by 9 does not belongs to this interval. Now for n is equal to 1. Now for n is equal to 1 means 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 9. Now 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 9 means now 5 pi by 9. Now x is equal to 5 pi by 9. Only now here one solution only. Now here three solutions. Now sum of these solutions means now here pi by 9 plus sum is equal to pi by 9 plus 5 pi by 9 plus 7 pi by 9. Now 13 pi by 9. Now here 13 pi by 9. Now here is equal to k pi. Now k pi is equal to 13 pi by 9. Therefore k is equal to 13 by 9. K is equal to 13 by 9. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi, then the number of real values of x satisfies the equation cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. Now here given equation this one, now here cos x, here first write down cos x plus cos 3x, now cos 2x plus cos 4x. Okay, now cos x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. Now cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 means now x plus 3x by 4x by 2 means cos 2x into cos x minus 3x minus 2x by 2 minus x, cos of minus x cos x plus again here cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now 2 cos, now 6x by 2 means 3x cos minus 2x by 2 minus x cos x is equal to 0. Now both have 2 cos x common. Now 2 cos x common means cos 2x plus cos 3x is equal to 0. Now again cos c plus cos d formula, cos c plus cos d. Now 2 cos x into 2 cos, now 5x by 2 cos minus x by 2 means cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Now here cos x is equal to 0, cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0. Now cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Now cos x is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 0 means general solution. Now here cos x is equal to 0. Now here general solution x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now here case 1, for n is equal to 0. Now x value is now pi by 2. Now here pi by 2 belongs to 0 and 2 pi. Therefore pi by 2 is the one of the solution. Now for n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means x value is 3 pi by 2. Now 3 pi by 2 also belongs to 0 and 2 pi. Now 3 pi by 2 is the one of the solution. Now you take n equal to 2. N equal to 2 means now 4 pi by 2. Now 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 does not belongs to this interval. Therefore, only now for n equal to 0 and 1, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Next case 2. Now cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0. Now cos 5x by 2 is equal to 0 means now 5x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now 2 to cancel. Now x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 5. And here also for n is equal to 0. Now n is equal to 0 means now x value is now pi by 5. Now pi by 5 belongs to 0 and 2 pi. Now n value 1. N value 1 means 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5 belongs to this interval. Now n value 3. n value 2 means 5 pi by 5, now pi. Now pi belongs to 0, this interval. Next 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 means 7 pi by 5. Now 7 pi by 5 also belongs to 0 and 2 pi. Next n value is 4. N value 4 means now 9 pi by 5. Okay, 9 pi by 5 belongs to 0 and 2 pi. Now n value 5 means 11 pi by 5. 11 pi by 5 does not belongs to 0 and 2 pi. Now here n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here solutions are there. Next here cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Now case 3. Cos x by 2 is equal to 0. Cos x by 2 is equal to 0 means now x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, now 2 cancel. Now x is equal to, now x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. 2n plus 1 into pi. Now here for n is equal to 0 means now x value is pi. Now n value 2 means 5 pi. Now here 0 to 2 pi only. Now here only solution x is equal to pi. Therefore number of solutions is equal to number of solution set. First here write down solution set. Now solution set is equal to pi by 2. Now 3 pi by 2. Next pi by 5. 3 pi by 5. Next to pi. 7 pi by 5. 9 pi by 5. Therefore number of solutions is equal to number of real values of x. Real values of x is equal to, now your total number of solutions is 7, is equal to 7. Therefore option 3 is the correct one. Next one, the possible values of theta belongs to 0 pi such that sin theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 7 theta is equal to 0. Now here given equation can be write now here sin 4 theta plus now sin 7 theta plus sin theta is equal to 0. Now sin c plus sin d. Now sin 4 theta plus sin c plus sin d 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now 2 sin c plus d by 2. Now 2 sin 4 theta cos c minus d by 2. Now 7 theta minus theta 3 theta is equal to 0. 7 theta minus theta by 2. Okay, now here sin 4 theta is common. Now sin 4 theta means 1 plus 2 cos 3 theta is equal to 0. Now sin 4 theta is equal to 0 or cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now sin 4 theta is equal to 0 means sin theta equal to 0. Now general solution theta is equal to n pi. Now sin 4 theta is equal to 0. Now 4 theta is equal to n pi. Now theta is equal to n pi by 4. Now for n is equal to 0. Now theta is equal to 0. Now here 0 to pi. Therefore for n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means theta is equal to pi by 4. Now n is equal to 2, 2 pi by 4, pi by 2. Next n equal to 3, now 3 pi by 4. Now here, now n equal to 1, 2, 3, now 3 values between 0 and pi. Okay, next here, cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 by 2 means cos 120. Now cos 3 theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Now 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. Now 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus 2 pi by 3 or 3 theta is equal to 2n pi minus 2 pi by 3. Now here theta is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 9 or theta is equal to 2n pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 9. Now here for n is equal to 0. For n equal to 0. Now theta equal to 2 pi by 9. Now theta is equal to 2 pi by 9. Now n is equal to 1. N equal to 1 means 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 9 is equal to 8 pi by 9. Next here equation 3 for n is equal to 0 means minus 2 pi by 9. Minus 2 pi by 9 does not belongs to 0 and pi. Now for n equal to 1. Now theta is equal to now 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 9. Now 4 pi by 9. Therefore solution set is equal to. Therefore solution set is equal to pi by 4, pi by 2, now 3 pi by 4, now 2 pi by 9, 2 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9, now 8 pi by 9. Therefore option 1 is the correct one.